Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best automatic knife under 50 that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best automatic knife under 50. Automatic knives are great for several reasons, but finding the best ones can be really hard, especially if you have a lower budget. That's why, in this article, we'll go over the best automatic knives under $50 that you can find on the market in 2019 and beyond. But, before we get down to business, let's go over the most important things about automatic knives. Number 5. CRKT M1610K SEDC Folding Pocket Knife Everyday Carry. Handles are shaped and contoured in the same confident grip M16 style, but are crafted of the retro-flavored stainless steel handles. Main features: triple point serrations cut. Frame lock utilizes a thick, fibrous materials with ease. Number 4. Columbia River Knife and Tool Igniter TEDC Folding Pocket Knife. The Igniter is yet another in a long line of knives developed an award-winning designer out of Orangeville, Pennsylvania, whose patented fire-safe safety mechanism is used. Main features: safe and secure G10 handle, exceptional grip in all conditions. Number 3. Lesion 66A4 Paper Trimmer Titanium Scrapbooking with Automatic Security Safeguard. The guillotine cutter includes a tile grids and angle cutting features and has a handy ruler to ensure. Main features: lightweight and versatile, cutting through chipboard, features sharp trimming mechanism. Number 2. CRKT Tietac 2 EDC Folding Pocket Knife. The ambidextrous button lock allows your fingers to be safely out of the blade's path when you are folding it shut. Meanwhile, an ergonomically designed handle. Main features: flipper deployment, limited lifetime warranty, tie ball bearings pivot system. Number 1. TR1166 Custom Handmade Tracker Knife Special Promotional Price. TR1166 Custom Handmade 10 inches Damascus Steel Tracker Knife. Beautiful black micarta handle. Main features: steel tracker knife, beautiful black micarta handle, authentic porcelain knives. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.